Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 24th, and we're going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top dollar analysis. So, the pound dollar has been very strong, and I think it's pretty much confirming this analysis on the monthly, which is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, and 5 of it, either an expanding flat wave C or a running flat wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this right here is the end of a wave 1. This is a running flat wave 2, and we're already in a wave 3 from that point on. So this is like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and I believe we're in a wave 3 of 3. As you'll notice, it is definitely higher highs, higher lows, and I do think that it is going to continue to make those higher highs, higher lows. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we had a really nice looking 1, 2, 3 ABC pullback. Very, very beautiful trade. The trend is literally up on every single time frame, daily, weekly, and monthly. So that tells me that I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, even from the last ABC correction, this is all higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, until it actually breaks that series of higher highs, higher lows with either a lower high or a breaker structure to the downside. And you better believe that I'm going to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where I got my Fibonacci extension on the last impulsive. Projected off the last correction to look for areas of resistance. Now we did have a little bit of a reaction at the 61.8, but we still don't even have a breaker structure on the 1 hour time frame. And to me, even a breaker structure on the 1 hour time frame does not mean trend reversal. It just means that could be the beginning of another correction, which I hope that is what happens, because if that is what happens, that's a great news for us because we can go long again at the end of the correction. I personally am really not even looking for shorts until at least the 4 hour to daily time frame range gives me either a significant lower high or preferably a breaker structure to the downside, telling me that this uptrend is not over. But looking at the very, very high time frames, I think we're in a wave 3 of 3, and I think we need to continue to primarily look for longs every single chance we get on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.